This is the standard. This is Stratford. Welcome back to the wheel.
They called it a prototype failure. They said the hardware was built with 10p parts. They told me Kobe Mainoo only manipulates Instagram space. Well, right now the operating system was updated. And right now the Pep era was officially uninstalled. Our hardware verified. Look at the left hand side. Patrick Dorgu at left wing. To the midwits, it was a mistake to us. By pinning Rico Lewis wide, Dorgu allowed Luke Shaw to invert into the pivot next to Casemiro. That creates our 3-2 settlement. We didn't defend City, we constrained them until they hit a system error. 404, Pep not found. And Mbomo, the false 9. He didn't play a match, he played a displacement game. He dragged those City Youth CBs out of position until the Elaine glitch triggered. And for the Instagram critics, Kobe Mainoo just finished with a 7.5 rating. And City has 0 shots on target conceded for 70 minutes. He didn't just play, he processed the game. 2-0 is the scoreline, but the reality is a complete structural deletion. The standard is live, the settlement is online. Dark Wolf, I'm waiting for the apology, but I won't hear it because I don't argue with the legacy hardware. Stay in the past, we are in the future. This is the Stratford Standard signing off. Glory, glory, Man United.